Hey, what's up, everyone? Just doing an overall streaming tutorial here for you guys. Something that I have found extremely helpful is having a Bitly account. Just something to hold all your links. It's going to look something like this. It's going to give your viewers or anyone that's interested a direct link to all your socials, as well as whenever you have, your TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all that kind of setup. Whenever you have that in your bio, it just makes it easier so they don't have to look it up. You know, that's one thing that I think is extremely important is having multiple social medias. That way you just have more discoverability. And so once you get your Bitly all set up, you're eventually going to have a homepage that looks like this. All you're going to have to do is sign up with your email, username, password, all that kind of stuff. And the free version is going to give you 10 short links. What you're going to want to do though is not hit create new and go into here. What you're going to want to do is go to links in bio. This is the one that's actually going to be directed to your Bitly URL. And so you're going to want to hit add links here. You're going to have all these URLs to your Kick stream. So you're just going to come here, copy and paste this, do this here. Kick is something that you kind of have to do manually. YouTube kind of already has, the buttons for it. And then also one thing that I would recommend doing is having customizations, doing social profile links. That way, if they wanted to go straight to your Instagram, they wouldn't have to scroll down and do that. You can design different colors, different setups. This is the one that I found, most eye appeasing, but you can look at your performance, link in bio views, total link clicks, kind of nice. But yeah, that's basically gonna be it. And then once you have this, you can do copy. This is gonna be your Bitly links. You hit copy. If you go in here and you paste, it's gonna take you straight to this one. So this URL is the one that you're gonna want to be putting in your Instagram bio, your Facebook, whatever social medias you have. So I'm doing more just kind of streaming tutorials. I've just barely started out on Kick. I streamed on Twitch, for about 2.5 years, and now just getting back into it. I'll leave a link down in the bio if you're interested in tuning in. But yeah, I'm gonna be making more tutorials, so stay tuned for that, and have a good rest of your day.